Ever pondered the significance of data storage in Geographic Information System, or GIS? It's like the backbone that holds together the body of spatial and attribute data. And one of the most efficient ways to store this data is through a geodatabase. Picture a geodatabase as a container that can hold many different types of GIS data within its structure, implemented either in a relational database management system or as a collection of files in a file system. There are two main types of geodatabases: file geodatabases and personal geodatabases. They're like siblings with different personalities, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. First, let's meet the elder sibling, file geodatabases. These are stored as folders in a file system, with each dataset held as a file. One of their key strengths is their size. They can scale up to 1 terabyte in size. Now that's a lot of data. This ability to store massive amounts of data makes file geodatabases a preferred choice over their younger sibling, personal geodatabases. Now onto the younger sibling, personal geodatabases. Unlike their elder sibling, all datasets in personal geodatabases are stored within a Microsoft Access data file. But here's the catch: they're limited in size to only 2 gigabytes. Yes, you heard it right, only 2 gigabytes. This limitation often puts them at a disadvantage when compared to file geodatabases. But it's not all about size, is it? There are other factors to consider. File geodatabases, for instance, offer better performance and are less likely to become corrupt if a system failure occurs. They also support storing raster datasets larger than the limit of personal geodatabases. On the other hand, personal geodatabases have the advantage of being easier to use with other software because they're stored in a Microsoft Access format. In a nutshell, geodatabases play a pivotal role in GIS. They store spatial and attribute data, making it easier for users to manage and access data. They come in 2 types: file geodatabases and personal geodatabases. File geodatabases, stored as folders in a file system, can handle up to 1 terabyte of data, offer better performance, and are less likely to become corrupt. Personal geodatabases, stored within a Microsoft Access data file, are limited to 2 gigabytes of data but have the advantage of being more compatible with other software due to their format. The choice between the two depends on the needs of the user, but regardless of the choice, the importance of geodatabases in GIS cannot be overstated. They are the containers that hold the world of spatial and attribute data together.